Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back, and today we are going to be fixing the blower motor in this 2005 Dodge Ram 1500. I'm going to go ahead and show you what it sounds like. So this sounds all right. There's no humming. There's a slight hum, but it's not bad. And that's really good. So something is causing that to be imbalanced, whether that be lint or piece of paper or I don't know, maybe a mouse made a home in there, not really sure. So we're gonna go ahead and go down there and take out the blower motor. So here is obviously the passenger side. You go up under here and there she is. There's the blower motor. Now what you see is there is let's see, a bolt right there, a bolt right there, and a bolt back there. Looks like that the bolt can use a T25. I love this gear wrench set. I'm pretty sure it is a 8mm or a T25. There's also a wire clip on here. You just gotta disconnect that. All right, time to lower her down. All right. So, I don't know what that is. I think that's what was stopping it. I was expecting a ton of lint in here, or like an animal. Actually, not a dead animal, because you'd definitely smell it. I wonder what this is. I don't know, whatever it is, it was imbalancing the motor, so I'll go ahead and throw it back in and see if it does it again. Put her back in now, see if it fixed my issue. All right, got her in. And let's see if she makes the sounds. Nope, fixed it. Sweet. So that little piece, whatever it was, made it imbalanced. It made it buzz, and well, that just shows how easy it is. So anybody can do this. If you have a T25 bit, or if you have an 8mm socket, which if you don't and you have a truck, I don't know what you're doing, but yeah, you should at least have one of those. So very easy fix. I mean, in your case it could be the motor going out, but I mean, that's rare. It's normally something falls inside of it. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you in the next one.